Okay guys, very much welcome to this my course. This is data reselling course. So we're going to start by first knowing the software that we're going to the platform that we're going to be using to run this data reselling. So first of all, let me show you the app that we're going to be using for this data reselling business. It's called Mobile Data VTU. It's not yet on Play Store. If you want to download it, you go to their website. I'll be putting a link of the website in the description. So let's go to my Chrome. Let me show you how the website looks like. So this is how it looks like. So on their homepage, you can install the app, log in if you already have an account, then register if you are still new into the business. The link will be in the description, so don't worry. To register, you just need your email, your phone number, your name, like a username or something like that. Then you answer this question here and put in your password. Don't forget to verify your email address. To verify your email address, just create an account, go to login, put in your details and log in. Once you log in, they'll ask you for 4-digit pin that they sent to your email. Just copy the pin and paste, verify your email, and then you can be able to access it both on the website and the app. So let's go back to the app. Let's start this class fully.